Now I will give you a detailed introduction about our self-loading concrete mixer. Let's start with the cap. Ours is a frame structure. The outside appearance is very beautiful. Let's see inside. It's a luxury chair which is very comfortable sitting on it. Inside the cab, there also have air conditioner. This one is the control system. The operator can see clearly the weight each bucket weighs. And this one is the backup camera. The steering wheel. Here are the action bars. This action bar is for the bucket, lifting up and down. This four action bars is for the mixer drum. It can rotate left or right or discharge. Okay. This one is our 3.5 cubic meter model. It can mix in 4 batches 1 hour. It also depends on the operator whether skilled or not. The material of the mixer drum is manganese steel, which is very thick and wear resistant. The tire we use all steel wire tire. The brand is Linglong, which is top 20 in the world. Very wear resistance, long using life. And also for the brake, ours is a double brake. The brake effect is very good. As we know, for the trucks, the brake system is very important. This one is the hydraulic water pump. The water tank. Here is the diesel engine. Our standard configuration is Yuchai brand, which is the top brand in China. According to customer demands, we can also change into Weichai and Dongfeng Cummins. Here is the reducer. What we use is also China military brand. The piston motor also joint venture company brand. Here is the hydraulic pipe. All our hydraulic pipe are 4-layer steel wire pipe. Very strong, and also the arrangement you can see very neatly. One of our main character of our self-loading mixer is this turntable. Our design is top worm type. It comes with self-locking function, especially when you discharge the concrete on a slope. It's very important of the safety. The self-locking function makes sure the drum very stable anti-rollover. This is the feeding hopper. On the feeding arm, they have the sensors. Comes with the weighing, so it will know how many kilogram one batch weighs. On the feeding hopper, there comes with the vibrator. Even there have rings, the material have wet. It can also make sure the gravel can discharge very fluently. Also, as we know, for the machine, it's also very important the daily maintenance after working. Our machine comes with high pressure cleaning pump at the bottom of the machine.